Welcome to Mac Photography.
I wanted to give you an idea of what to expect coming to Mac Photography, as this is my home away from home. So this is my gallery room, and this is where you will be able to relax when you first come in for your session. So my gallery room reflects my style, of course, which is a little bit of rustic, a little bit of glam, and all kinds of soothing colors. So here in this room is where, if you have a newborn session, you'll be able to nurse your baby, snuggle with them, and help soothe them to sleep. If this is for an older child, you'll be able to lay out all of your clothes. We can come up with what scenes we're starting first. And whenever you're working with multiple children, we will have everything that you need for your session. We have toys to be able to play for toddlers. When you're nursing, we have boppies and bottle warmers. We will have literally everything that you need to be able to prepare for your session, including beverages. So all you need to do is show up and we will take care of the rest for you. So in terms of what you can expect for artwork working with Mac Photography, I will have a broad range of options for you guys to choose from. But I want to highlight one particular piece so that you can kind of see how we use interior decorating into the final design of our artwork pieces. So with this canvas, which is one of the options here in the studio, our framed canvas, I wanted to pull in many different details of my studio into the final piece so it looked like a custom framed artwork for this space. So what I ended up doing was choosing a frame with scroll work that was really consistent with my accent wallpaper, my window treatments, and then the worn wood that bordered it was really consistent with my fireplace. The color tones together of the frame are really consistent with my wall colors as well as my drapes. So it made it really particular to the space. It brought in different attributes that I have throughout the room. And each one of these designs I use within your home to help you create portraits that will really be timeless of your special memories. So this is an example of one of my monochromatic scenes where it really doesn't have any color at all, but has many different textures in it to still make it a really interesting picture. I have all of these outfits in studio for you to be able to use. So even if you think you have nothing at all that will work for your session, I can provide things that will create portraits that are absolutely stunning of your loved ones. Vintage has a very sweet spot in my heart, and I use it as much as I can in my scenes and the different outfits that I have available for each one of my clients. I look for artists all over the world that create these really special pieces with soft colored tones, delicate features, and timeless look.
So one of the other really great things about working with Mac Photography is I have both the indoor studio as well as the outdoor studio. So I have the ability to give you two completely different looks all within one session. Our beautiful outdoor landscaping will have that classic New England feel with tall fields of grass, rustic barn, old vintage rope swings that can really create a setting that is more candid and natural, as well as during the fall having some really bright, beautiful colors.